Whatever age you are right now, there's one number that decides if you'll ever be a millionaire. It's how much you'd have to invest every month to hit $1 million by the time you're 65. Most channels make you sit through 9 minutes to get it. I'm just going to hand it to you. If you're 30, your number is about $440 a month. That's it. Younger than that, it drops even lower. Older, it climbs fast, and I'll walk you through every age in a minute. But hold on one second, because that number you just got has a trap sitting inside it. Miss the trap and one of two things happens. You quit before you even start, or you wait a couple years and pay for it the rest of your life. So stay with me. This is where it gets good. Okay, every age, same goal. $1 million by 65, same boring math. Start at 25 and you need under $300 a month. Under $300, that's a phone bill. At 30, about $440. At 35, $670. At 40, it jumps over $1,000 a month. And at 45, you're looking at around $1,700. Now, put the two ends next to each other. The 25-year-old pays under $300. The 45-year-old pays $1,700. Same $1 million, 6 times the price. And get this, neither one is smarter than the other. The only thing that changed was how many birthdays went by before they started. So, the trap. That monthly number hides how much of your own money you actually cough up. The 25-year-old paying $300 a month, over the years he puts in about $140 grand of his own cash. The market does the rest and turns it into $1 million. The 45-year-old, to land the same $1 million, has to put in over $400,000 out of his own pocket. Sit with that for a second. One guy paid $140,000, the other paid $400,000 for the same $1 million. Waiting did two things to him. It raised his monthly bill and it made him burn 3 times more of his own money to end up in the same spot. The longer you wait, the more of the job falls on your paycheck instead of on time. Real quick, because somebody watching is already thinking it. Is $1 million even enough anymore? By the time you're 65, maybe not. So if you want real breathing room, call it $3 million. The monthly numbers roughly triple. At 25, that's still only about $850 a month. At 45, it's over $5 grand. Same story, just louder. Start young, and even a giant goal is something you can chip away at. Start late, and even a normal goal turns brutal. Let me make this real, because I don't want you picturing some guy with a private jet. That's not you, and it's not me. Picture a normal dude, regular job, drove a 10-year-old car, never made 6 figures until he was almost 50. Nothing flashy about him, but at 26 he set up one automatic transfer into one plain index fund, and then he pretty much forgot about it for 30 years. He didn't time the market, he didn't pick winners, he just kept feeding that account while everyone around him blew their raises. Today he's sitting on 7 figures. The coworkers who out-earned him for decades are still clocking in, still stressed about money. He beat them with one thing, a 30-year head start and the patience to be boring while they chased exciting. That's the whole secret, and it's so dull that almost nobody actually does it. Which is why the real answer to your question was never a dollar amount. You asked how much a month, but the number that actually runs your whole future is the number of months you wait before you start. Compounding saves its craziest growth for the very end, the last stretch right before you stop working. So every month you sit there thinking about it, you're not losing a month at the front. You're deleting a month off the back where every dollar is worth the most it will ever be. The amount you put in is a dial you can turn up anytime. The day you start is the one thing you can never buy back. So do this tonight, not next payday. Tonight. Find your age, grab your number, and if it feels like way too much, do not shut the app and do nothing. That's how people stay broke. Take a tenth of it. $50. The size doesn't matter yet, starting does. Open one investment account, set one automatic transfer for the day after you get paid, and put in an amount you won't even feel. Then walk away and let time do the part you can't. You're not behind because your number is big. You fall behind the day you decide it's too late to begin. And that's clearly not you because you just watched this whole thing. If this handed you a number worth chasing, hit subscribe. We turn the way money really works into something you can finally see. and I'll catch you in the next one.